Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm coming to you with the CVS haul for the week of May 27th. We are already at the end of May. Happy Memorial Weekend. I'm coming to you just with a quick haul. I found some clearance items as well. I wanted to go ahead and do the Tide and Gain deal, plus the Irish Spring deal and a makeup deal. So I got a couple of items here. I did 3 separate transactions. I think no, I did 4 separate transactions, I think. The first deal was on the Irish Springs. These are 2 for $4. And when you buy 2, you get a $4, I think a $4 ECB. I believe so, yeah. You get a no, actually you get a $5 ECB when you buy 2. So I got 2 of these. I used my 2 off of 6 CRT, as well as I used 2 of the dollar off of 1 Irish Spring coupons that's no longer available, but I did use 2 of those. So my total came to $4. I used a $4 ECB and got a $5 ECB back, and here is that. And here's my receipt. So this was a this was free plus a $1 money maker for me. So here it is, 2 for $8, and those are, I had a paper manufacturer coupon and a clip to card coupon. I used $4 in an ECB and the 2 off of 8. Sorry, the 2 off of 8 CRT. So I only paid a tax of 49 cents, and I got $5 back. So that was free right there. The second deal was on the Gain, Tide, and the Downy. So some people are doing the Downy liquid softener. Actually, this is included as well to be $4.94. On the ad, it does say the Gain and Tide flings, and then it said Bounty 6.5 ounce. So these are the Downy. I said Bounty, huh? These are the Downy items that they are talking about. The little unstoppable and wash scent boosters. So this is the only scent that they had, which smells actually kind of good. It's the Tide scent, I guess. So that was $4.99, $4.94, and when you buy 3, you get a $4 ECB. So each of these is $4.94. I used all clip coupons. I used the 2 off of 1 Tide, the 2 off of 1 Gain, and the 2 off of 1 Downy. My total came to $8.82. I used $8 in ECBs and paid 82 cents plus tax. And I got back a $4 ECB. And here is that right there. And here's my receipt right there. As you can see, all my coupons came off perfectly fine. The Tide, Downy, and the Gain, and I used $8 in ECBs. So that was a cool money maker right there. As well, I did it on another card, that same deal. So that was cool with that one. Then the Rimmel is I believe spend 10, get a $5 ECB. Let me see if I can find my receipt. Oh, okay. So I was able to go ahead and find my receipt for the I did the Tide, Gain, and Downy and the Rimmel on the same transaction. So I had a 4 for 14 CRT. The Rimmel is I think spend 10, get a $5 ECB. No, it's spend 15. So I had to get 3 items that was a little over $5 a piece. So I think these foundations were $5.49, and the lip gloss, the lip conditioning stick here was $5.79. So that was a little over 15 right there. I used 2 of the 3 off of 1 face product coupons, and I did 1 of the 3 off of 1 lip product, so that took $9 off. Plus I had a 4 for 14 cosmetics, so they took off $13. So only paid actually $2 and some change out of pocket. Plus I got back a $5 ECB, so that was $2 and some change, a moneymaker right there. And then, like I said, I had the Downy, Tide, and the Gain together on that transaction. So with that one, my tub total came to $12 and 60 cents. I use $11.99 in ECBs. So here's my clip to card coupons still. And here's my 3 Rimmel coupons. And here is my ECBs. I use, there goes 4, 8. Then my Beauty Buck, $3, and then the 99-cent ECB. And there's my 4 off for 14. So my subtotal was 60 cents plus tax. And I got back the 4 for the game deal and the 5 for the Rimmel. So I only lost $3 in ECBs on that transaction, which was fine with me because I had like $20 in ECBs to spend this week because they were expiring this week. So, and it wasn't that many great deals going on. So I just had to do what it do. Then lastly, I wanted to go ahead and talk to you about the clearance items. So I found some clearance items. They were actually in front of the store, and it had a tag saying 50% off the retail price. So what I could grab, they had more Viva and I think Bounty, but I didn't walk around the whole table. But I did see more Viva. They had more Viva and a little more Bounty paper towels. And then they had the 2 packs of like tissue, toilet paper or something like that. But they did have some clearance items and I will be going back tomorrow. So I grabbed these. The Bounty is on clearance for $4.25. And here you go, $4.25. And then the Viva is on clearance for $3.85. Now, what was so good about this, because we have clip to card coupons. We have a 2 off of 2 Viva Cottonelle Kleenex coupon on our card, as well we have the 1 off of 1 Bounty. So I went ahead and got 3 of those because I knew I had those coupons on my one card. I didn't check my other card yet, but I know for sure that I have that. That's why I'll be going back tomorrow. So those came off fine. I think altogether, let me see, I spent $8, 9, 10, 11. I think it was like $11 and some change before coupons and everything. Then the 2 off of 2 came off for the Viva, and the 1 off of 1 came off for the Bounty. So my subtotal was $8.95. I used $8 in ECB, so I only paid 95 cents plus tax. And here you go. My clip to card coupons came off perfectly. No issues with that. So, like I said, I will be going back to do some more deals. So, yeah, if you guys check your CVS, even ask them if they have these items and where are they located. If so, go ahead and grab some. I'm not sure if we have manufactured coupons for the Viva, but I think the P&G will have the Bounty on there for $1 off as usual. So that's why I wanted to come to you guys with this. Please don't mind the back. I am in the process of moving. So hopefully I will be having my video still up on Sunday. Sunday, June, I believe the 10th, I will try my hardest. I'm still moving, and I will be moving into my new place that time. So bear with me if I do not get a video up on the 10th of June. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.